Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today my topic was analysis of SBI clerk prelims mock number 3 in practice mockup, guys. So this is 2022 test series. So recently they uploaded 2022 test series. Within 2 to 3 days gap they will release each of the mocks in one by one, guys. So in last 2 days they released SBI clerk prelims 3 mock, but yesterday I attempted this mock. I will share my score also. So today we will see the analysis of all the 3 sections, guys. So the first one was English language section. So in this section I attempted all 30 questions, but 24 correct, 6 are incorrect. So let's see each and every question analysis from last onwards. I will discuss. So in this question, the meeting in the New York is perfectly timed to escalate the benefits to a level that issue the magnitude of the problem. So in this I put the option benefits interchange with issue, and also issue is interchange with benefits. It means two positions are interchanged because the meeting in New York is perfectly timed to escalate is the correct. The benefits to a level that, so it's no sense of meaning. It means it was the issue of escalate. So the issue to a level that befits the magnitude of the problem. So that's why I put the option C. Next we go to we are failing to forced infections because 2 plus V1 form is present, guys, here, but it's 2 plus V3 is in the form. That's why forced is interchange with another. So we are failing to, so treat is a correct word, treat infections. And next, so this question I did mistake, guys. So that was we are heading into a post antibiotic era where common infections could once again be deadly. So my option was common and deadly, I think that, but it's no interchange required because all the words are in correct position. So that's why this is wrong. And next we go to the next question. Market forces have so far been moving. And next, so this question is also correct, guys. The question was market forces have so far been moving the help in the right direction. Now it's time the government stepped into sector. So I put the option, I think help and sector's positions are interchanged. So this is correct because market forces have so far been moving. So it means been plus V4, it's correct. The help in the right direction. So there is no sense in the word helps. That's why the sector in the right direction. Now it's time government stepped into the help. So this is the correct order. As well as like the rest of the world, India has dropped huge growth in the prevalence of phones as accessibility has improved and courts have witnessed. Here, like the rest of the world, India has dropped huge growth in the prevalence. It means no sense, guys. So India has something positive way, so it means witnessed. So India has witnessed huge growth in prevalence, so that's why dropped and witnessed positions are interchanged. And next we go to the fill in the blanks. So the first one was while large scale infrastructure development is presented as a dash for economic development and reducing poverty in developing countries, such projects pose risks for local communities living along the river and for the environment at large. If built, the salvin dams will not only alter the river's ecosystem and their monsoonal water level fluctuations, but also transform a wide range of agricultural landscapes that local communities dash on their livelihoods. In recent years, there is concern over the hydroelectric project. International financial institutions such as the International Finance Corporations have started to focus on the idea of sustainable hydropower. So this is the overall view of this filling the blanks. So first we go to the first blank. While large scale infrastructure development is presented as a dash for economic development, here we'll choose the word as a. A means if the letter starts with a consonant is occurred, so consonant sound. So I put the option wrong, guys, because I put the option boon, because as a boon for economic development it's a correct sentence, but it's wrong. So means is correct. Means for economic development and reducing poverty in developing countries, such projects pose dash is. So considerable, I thought that first the option was considerable is correct, because we need an adjective in the blank. So considerable is correct. And next we go to the local communities living along the river, and for the environment at large, if built, the survey names will not only alter the river's ecosystem under monsoonal water level fluctuations, but also transform a wide range of agricultural landscape. That local communities, so we clearly say that depend is only suitable word, because communities depend on their livelihoods. So which communities? So these communities are dash on for livelihood. It means depend on for their livelihoods. In recent years, dash concern over hydroelectric projects. So amid concerns over, we clearly say that we need a preposition. That's why amid is a preposition, correct preposition for this blank. And next we go to the, as International Finance Corporation have started to focus on dash the idea of sustainable hydropower, because here we fit the blank, which means it means focus on dash the idea of sustainable hydropower. It means it gives a positive vibe. It means offending is negative and hoarding is also not suitable, and promoting is a correct form, because promoting the idea of sustainable hydropower. So this is the question, guys. So in this I did 2 mistakes. And next arrangement, guys. So these arrangements are very easy in any types of student, because they are beginner or already preparing. So whatever any of the students can easily complete this rearrangements, guys, because it's very easy to find out the correct form of sentence. So freedom of neither the public nor the government considerable passports as a serious obstacle to freedom of movement. So here no swap is there, because the sentence is always correct in the form. So neither the public nor the governments consider passport. It means public and also governments consider the passports as a serious obstacle, is not consider the passports of serious obstacle to freedom movement. So it's correct. And next one was rapidly followed by others, and Italy were the first to make passports mandatory, a measure in 1914, varying the states France, Germany. Here we starts with the year in 1914, varying states France, Germany, and next another country, comma gives another country, and Italy were the first to make it, means DB. Here the DB pair is first. And next we go to the bring censorship and intimidation outlet for those who wish to. Social media provides a crucial to the international attention. Here I think social media provides a crucial outlet. So CB is a correct pair, so B is the answer. And I did one more mistake in this, guys, because the reason was because some of these sentences are similar. That's why I put the wrong answer for this question. The question was African elephants were first listed as a species of concern by CITES in India, with a trade permitted only under the stringent model. So here I put the option DCAB, because there is a correct form of sentences I'm pairing with DCAB. That's why I put the option, but the option was no rearrangement is required. As well as sold in these countries frequently, Forsonic rating proves. Here we clearly say that B is the first sentence. So Forsonic testing proves that ivory sold in these countries frequently originates elsewhere where it is. So this is the BACD. Next, these are the inappropriate or wrongly spelled words. So here we clearly say that regulating is correct, hard is correct, and difficulty is wrong because DIFF is present. And next, there are many universities in developing and decided to meet means it's meet MEAT is no sense case because it's unnecessary words. So meet MEET is a correct form. And in this I thought first it's resilience, but I put the option all are correct. So the option was resilience, LI is occurred. I don't see clearly, guys. So in recent years, the population that lives near the risen exponential. So all the forms are correct. And environmental NGOs have played an important role in achieving it. So achieving, we clearly say that achieving letters are wrong. ACHEI is present. So but I is. So achieving is correct. I thought first, but it's correct. So role is correct. So here environmental NGOs have played an important role means ROLE, so not role. ROLE means there is a form of responsibility. Okay, next we see the no error questions. So in this, the future of the Antarctic hangs in the balance, and these cities have a key role to played. Here also 2 plus V1 form is present, but played is given, so it's wrong. And several states, here several states is plural, so have will come, but has is come, so A is wrong. And this is recently thousands of local villages were, so plural well, forced to flee their homes due to the violent armed conflict, so no error. As well as sustainable development cannot be achieved if the views and needs of the poor and marginalized are not 2 case V2 form, guys, but R plus V3 is present, so are taken is the correct. And next, human rights advocates have expressed concern about the development projects which would affecting. Here would plus V1, would plus first form of verb will come, but affecting is fourth, it means error, so it's error. And next we go to the Aussie. So here we clearly say that the dispel closest word. Here an emphasis on multilateral cooperation will dispel the prevailing sense. It means here after reading these Aussie, so this is based on Himalayas, water based Brahmaputra river. So this is all about Brahmaputra river. How I am solving this Aussie, I will show you, guys. So in Aussie, all my 5 questions are correct. So first I read if the Aussie consists only 4 or 3 strangers, I will read, but Aussie consists more than 6 or 7 strangers, I will go to the questions, guys. Directly I will go to the questions. By using these questions, I will search for the keywords of these questions, and next I will directly answer to it. Directly go to the answers. So here, which of the following words is the closest meaning of dispel? In dispel, we commonly known, guys, because it's eliminate, banish is the word of synonym of dispel, so banish. And next we go to the question. So first question was here there are when was, so which of the following statements about the Bhupen Hazarika song on Brahmaputra tree? So first of all, in just 2 to 3 minutes we roughly study the paragraph. The mighty Himalaya acts water river of the waters of the flow. The Brahmaputra is a total offshore China, India, Bhutan, Bangladesh. So the river is known as. Okay, next. Recently, the central government in India decided to ending the private and public dam building companies last time. And next, the legendary 20th century Assamese singer and composer Bhupen Hazarika. So here is the question, guys. Which of the following statements about the, so he is influenced? Here we clearly say that the one of his popular compositions. He was influenced by the American standard. So first one is true. And next we go to the second question. That was, why is the widespread concern about Indo-Chinese plants construct megadams on Brahmaputra? So these are the Indo-China decided by building the hydropower projects as many as 160 and signed between Arunachal Pradesh. So here the options in this question was disrupt the lives of indigenous of communities, because we said it's in here indigenous communities of the region were read. And next we go to the next question, which one is false. So here it is known as the Jamuna is Bangladesh is in first or second stanza. Okay, so I think I read it. Jamuna is in Bangladesh. Where I read? So yes, this was the India and the Germany is Bangladesh is true. And next, so what is shared India, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh? This one also from second or third stanza. It was shared by the China, India, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and it was played a role in reshaping natural landscape Arunachal Pradesh and so this was the another. So that's why here all the Brahmaputra originates from first one. So except E, all are true. That's why E is false. And next we go to the question. What has been response of local communities of Arunachal Pradesh and Assam in the government hydropower obsession? So here we clearly say that there is a protest about this Arunachal Pradesh and Assam government's hydropower obsession. So because of studying the given stanza of this one, you will get the answer, guys. So these are the RC. And next we go to the numerical ability. So here, so these are very easy. I am not discussing, only I discussed about which questions are moderate to difficulty level. Only that questions I will discuss in reasoning and quant, guys. So the first one was given 3 coaching center, we will write AMC, BMC and CDP, and boys and girls are given. By using this, there are 1500 from AMK. Ratio of boys and girls is 2:3. It means 5 means 3, 600, 900. This is a way of solving, guys. This is very easy. So that's why I will explain roughly. And next, the number of girls in BMC is 100 less than the boys. So this is very easy. I thought it's left because I have no time to discuss, guys. So the video was very lengthy, that's why I'm not discussed many. So this is also same, guys. 3K 1200 and remaining 800 is a woman, as well as in C 45 25. So 80. Using this you will get this one also easy. And next we go to the this question, guys. So this one also easy, but I left. And this is the answer. You know the Ram and Shyam 2540 LCM. Took the LCM, and next we go to the answer. So this is also easy. Red, green, blue 4, 6, 5, 15 liters mix 4x minus 4 by 15 into 15, and 6 liter is red carpet, 3 liter is green carpet. So after that you will substitute it. Okay, next we will go to the reasoning section. So there is no ways to solve this reasoning. So these puzzles are very easy. So that's why I skip it, guys. If you have any doubt about these quant and reasoning questions, I will explain it later. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Thank you.